Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today, with our Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix, we are making deep-fried zucchini. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe. First thing you should do is preheat your oil to 375 degrees. Prepare your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix according to instructions. Slice the ends off your zucchini. Cut them in half. Cut the halves into 6 evenly sized pieces. Dredge in flour. Add to your batter mixture. Dip completely into the batter mixture for full coverage. When completely covered, add to the oil. Fry until golden brown. This traditional appetizer is sure to be a winner for any dinner party. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to check out our other recipes with Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. And until next time, keep cooking.